Hello students, welcome to Saurav's classes. Today our topic is double integration. So we all know what is the integration, and double integration means when we actually use integration twice in a sum, then it's called double integration. So now here some questions are given and we have to solve these questions on the basis of double integration. So now let's start. So in this sum, we will first do the integration of this part, and then we will do the integration on the result that will come after doing integration of this part. So now let's start. Okay, so from this, as we are doing the integration of this part, so we can write this is equals to integration 0 to 1. And then from this part we can write xy with respect to dx. So we can write here x square by 2y plus we are doing the integration of x square on the basis of dx. So we will write here x3 by 3. Now the limit we will give 0 to 1, that is here given. So 0 to 1 dy. Now from this again we can write integration of 0 to 1, and we are putting the value of x, that is 1. So here 1 square divided by 2 into y plus again we are putting the value of x as 1 here. So 1 cube divided by 3, now dy. From this we can write integration of 0 to 1 y by 2 plus 1 by 3 dy. Again, okay, let me add a new page. Okay, after this okay, our last line was 0 to 1 y by 2 plus 1 by 3 dy. Now after this we can write it as y square by 4, because now we are doing the integration of y by 2 dy. So y square by 4 plus again we are doing the integration of 1 by 3 with respect to dy. So we can write it as 1 by 3y, and we are putting the limit here 1 and here 0. Now from this we will put the value of y, that is 1, it's given here. So 1 square by 4 plus 1 by 3 into 1. Now solving this we can write 1 by 4 plus 1 by 3, that is equals to 12, and here 3 plus 4, that is equals to 7 by 12. So our answer is 7 by 12. So the answer of integration 0 to 1 of integration 0 to 1 xy plus x square dx dy is equals to 7 by 12, and this is the answer. Okay, now let's proceed to the next question. And here is the next question. Again, it's an application of double integration. So our question is integration 1 to a. Here the upper limit is given, that is a, and the lower limit is 1. Again, integration of 1 to b. So here the upper limit is b and the lower limit is 1 of dx dy by xy. So we will have to solve this. Again, we will at first integrate this portion, okay, this portion, and then whatever the result will come, we will integrate that result with respect to upper limit a and lower limit 1. So now let's start. Okay, so from this we can write this is equals to integration x equals to 1 to a of integration y equals to 1 to b of dx dy divided by xy. We have just simplified this term here in the next term. Now this is equals to again we will integrate this part at first. So we can write integration x equals to 1 a, and from this part with respect to integration y equals to 1 to b, we can write 1 by x, that is the constant part. So 1 by x we will take out, integration b to 1 by y dy. So with respect to dx, we have taken this 1 by x in the common, and then with respect to dy, we have integrated this part y, that is 1 by y dy. So now this into dx. Okay. So from this we can write this is equals to a I, instead of x equals to 1 we are writing here I, and then 1 by x. Okay, here in our last line, okay, I am repeating the last line again. So this was 1 by x integration b to 1 and 1 by y dy dx. Now from this we can write integration I to a 1 by x into log y. So instead of this part 1 by y dy, we can write log y, and we are putting the limits here. So 1 to b dx. Now again from this we can write integration a to 1 x into log b minus log 1, because we are putting the value of y as b and 1. So we can write it as log b minus log 1 dx. Again, this is because we know that log e base 1 is equals to 0. So from this again we can write log b that we have taken out, and here log x. Okay, so here log x, and the limit is a to 1. Now we will put the value of x as a and 1. So here we can write log b, and inside the bracket log a minus log 1. Now from this, as we know that this part is equals to 0, so we can write it as log b into log a, or log a into log b. So this is the answer.